Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Friends, today I will tell you some of the best free tools for checking the domain authority of your website. Friends, as you know, domain authority is an important SEO factor. That's why it is important to check domain authority regularly to ensure that your domain ranks high in the search engines. So friends, today I will tell you some of the best tools for checking domain authority, and more importantly, all these tools are free of cost. That means you don't need to pay any price or buy any subscription for using it. Okay friends, and all these tools are trusted and certified tools and used by many webmasters all over the world. So let me take you to the first tool, and our first tool is my personal favorite, that is Moz Domain Authority Checker. Yeah, it is. Okay, so this is the tool I'm talking about. So let's get into this tool and let's check how to check domain authority. So there's an interface of the tools. Many of you might already aware of the Moz tool. It has so many tools. This is one of the part of it, but it's very valuable and used by many webmasters all over the world. So let us see how we can check domain authority. First, you need to paste your domain here. I prefer you to paste your domain rather than typing the domain name because of typo error. So it's a safer side to paste, copy and paste domain here, and then just press this button, analyze domain, and let's see what the result is provided. Okay, so it has fetched very quickly. It don't take much of time. It's a very good tool. So here's the domain authority is 26. Linking root domains is 1.1k, that is thousands. Ranking keywords are 147 ranked keywords, and spam score is 9%. So what we learn from this tool is that your domain authority is 26. So 26, I will say, is not a good domain authority, because the more higher domain authority, more good it is. But good thing is that it has only 9% spam score. That means only 9% of the domains that you are linking to are basically spam, and that we need to check in different tools why they are spam. So that is a different process. I will make separate video for it. But here you will got the basic details of it. Ranking keywords 147. So you get further down, you will see. So these are the pages, basically are top ranked pages and domain authority for these pages. For home domain, like domain, that is domain authority is 46. And if you just the domain name flowerdelivery.com, you have domain authority of 39. So all good. Domain authority of home page is good, that's very good, and rest other. And these are the domain that is linked to. You can see these are many domains that is linked to. We have to check in separate tool what these domains are. And it also gives another good figure, that is discovered and lost linking domains. Okay, in this graph we can see that in the past 60 days how many backlinks we have lost and what are the new discovered links that they have created as per this tool. Okay, so you get more detailed data in a paid section of it. And here are the top keywords that we've been ranking for. So flowerdelivery.com reviews, flowerdelivery.com, that is domain, flowerdelivery.com promo code. So these are the top keyword that we are ranked for. Okay, so this is tool. And now let me take you to other tool. Okay, I will go back. So my next tool is another my personal favorite, that is Ahref domain authority checker. Sorry, typo error. I am using it on mobile. Okay, we got it here. Sorry, Ahref domain authority. Friends, apart from Moz, Ahref is also very trusted and recognized tool for SEO, and many webmasters use it. So we have to do the same here. We have just need to paste our domain here, and let's see what result is. Just we need to verify our identity. Okay, so we got now domain score. So Ahref has totally different protocol, different algorithm for giving domain authority. You can't compare Moz and Ahref. But according to this Ahref, domain authority is 9. It's much lesser than Moz. But again, I said both use different algorithms and different criteria, so you can't compare them. Both has different set of algorithms. But people, I mean, the webmasters also prefer checking domain authority on Ahref because it is also one of the trusted tools. And here it is also providing data for linking websites 316 root domains and backlinks 2666, out of which 51% are do follow. So this valuable data you got. If you need to get more details and in depth into it, you'll need to again buy a trial and paid version, and here's the details. But at least you'll get the overview of your data. If you got more details, if you need more details, you need to purchase this subscription. But here, free of cost, you will get at least basic data of your domain, and you'll get a good idea about it. Okay, so let me take you the last tool that I use. It's another my favorite tool, and that tool is small SEO tool. I will just type here small SEO tool, domain authority check. Okay, in fact it is not all tools. Sorry for these typo errors, friends. I'm using this on mobile to show you how you can check domain authority on mobile, so don't worry about it. I'm sorry for these typo errors, ignore it. Let me take you to the tool first. Here it is as another good tool, small SEO tools. Let me paste my domain that I already copied, and okay, now here it is. Just need to press this button, check domain authority, and now it will fetch, it will render the details of your domain and provide you data. Okay, it is also fast. So here it is. It's a basic, it is providing basic details. It's a page authority is 46 page authority of its home domain. Okay, not internal pages. And domain authority of 26, which is as same as provided by Moz. And its Moz rank, again, it is actually, it is somewhat matching the Moz data, but in still this tool has a different algorithm. It is very similar to Moz, so don't get confused. Now good thing is that you can also download Excel report net, but in downloading Excel report you can also get these details. You will not get another more details. Now again I say, if you want to get more and more detailed report, then you need to again buy paid subscription. But if you want to buy paid subscription, then I would recommend you Moz, because it will not provide you more details about domain authority and backlinks, but it will provide you some other SEO tools as well, especially related to on-page optimization and keyword research. Okay, friends. So this is the tools that I've shown. It is free of cost. You can just get the overview of your domain authority. Based on this, you can strategize or devise new SEO strategy for your campaign or your client. Okay, friends. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned so many things in this video, and will be helpful for you in doing SEO. Thank you so much, friends. Keep connected with us. We'll get back to you with another video. Thank you so much, friends. Have a great day.